Bam. Here they are, guys. The Fear of God from Jerry Lorenzo, a.k.a. Light Skin Yay. Man, I just had to share these with you guys real quick. We got this amazing translucent. It looks like glow in the dark, but it's not. This translucent thick sole, clean looking bottom, old school with the herringbone pattern. And one thing that really sets it off, man, let me tell you. Check out these 3 stripes. And then you got the brushed look right here and the high gloss. Very reminiscent to, I would say, like a luxury watch. And then you come down here with this pattern. And man, this looks like something out of Dune or something. I saw somebody comment that his last collection looked like Dune. They're like, I'm good on the Dune. Well, I love Dune. So I'm not good on the Dune. As in, I don't want to get rid of it. I want to wear it. We got the laces on the top with this real 90s type of little clip right here. Then you have this little scuba diving string. Boom. Man, this shoe was definitely a surprise. I hope you guys copped it. I'm not going to do the whole on the feet whatever. But I did try them on. And I will say, what people say is that the toe box is tight. That is true. Toe box is tight. It reminds me of Converse sneakers. So if you are going to cop these on the real, I will tell you, you need to go up a full size. I'm going to straight up say, unless you have the most narrow feet, you need to go up a full size. Maybe even a size and a half. I know that sounds crazy, but these things are tight. And more than ways than one, right? So there we are. Jerry Lorenzo knocked it out the park. The Fear of God. Man, it's like a work of art. When I'm gonna wear them, I don't know. They too pretty. I don't know. But there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.